Hi everyone, it's me again, Mr. K. For the year 5 to 8, I've got like a cool activity for you guys. An indoor one, one where you can actually use just a normal A4 piece of paper, a rectangular A4 piece of paper, and you make yourself a plane. Or yeah, let's call it a bird. It can actually, the wings can actually flap like that. So cool, yeah, let's get going. So just an A4. Now, I found when it's a bit thinner grain, it's actually better. When it's a bit thick, it's quite hard to fold. Cool, it doesn't need to be origami paper, it can just be like normal paper. Cool, let me just flick the camera and then let's get going. There we go. Awesome. There's our paper. So what we have to do is, you have to fold it in half, so all the corners nicely together. So in half, here we go. So it's in half, and then flick it around, take this part, go to the end where you have your first fold, so to the middle on the outside. Okay, cool. So there we go. Middle on the outside. Lovely. And we flick it over and we do exactly the same on this side. So over to this end and we fold it down there. So this is what you got now. You got like a paper, look like this. Cool. That's it. Look like this. You put it down with this end on this side, and this is a bit of a hard part. So you need to have this, get this corner, and get this corner into this end there, and this one onto that very end on that side there. So it goes over like a sharp triangle all the way from this end to that end. Cool. There we go. And then you grab this part here, and this is going to go over. That's going to be parallel on the bottom here. See the bottom down here? It needs to be parallel on the bottom down there. Beautiful. Good. I've got this side. See? This one here up, and then this one fold over. Okay. Now you flip it over. Now you do the same on this side. See, your fold is still there. Your middle fold is still there. You do exactly the same on this side. So take this one, goes up to that corner there, so you can actually just point it onto this end here. So it's a mirror image there and there. Cool. This part here needs to then fold all the way down to this end, like so. Cool. You've got this. See there? You've got this little house, it almost looks like a rocket. Good. So you've got the rocket here. So what you have to do with the rocket now is you need to flip it over this way. Okay, there's your rocket this side. So this part here, this little point is going to come all the way to this end down to the bottom here. So then you fold this over. Bang, bang, bang. Just make sure it's on the very end down there. And you fold that part on that side. So that is really cool. Got that? So it looks like this. Okay. Beautiful. So we've got that side down there, all ready to roll. Then flick it over. And this part then you fold back onto this end here. See this fold here, you fold this back. Excellent. Then it's almost like a little house with little wings on the side. Okay, wings on the side. Then flip it over, and then this will go back in here. So we have a straight edge. That's not right. Nope. No, we need to come this way, not that way. This way. Yes, this way. I fold it that way. It needs to come this way, not that way. Work. So here we go. Then you just have to fold this part on this end here. Bang. Flick it over. And then this one. Yeah. So you have that little thing, and there is your plane. See there? And when you throw it, it'll flap like this. I'll send you a video how that's gonna work. Okay, cool? Cool? Lovely? Got it? Beautiful. Well done, guys. That's it. That is our plane. Bird-like plane, and the wings will flap when you throw it. You'll see. I kid you not. It definitely works. Watch. Flew into the house. Cool. Great work, guys. Have fun. Stay safe. Stay in your bubble. See you later, Mr. K.